Sudden change. Wind is really up. Whew, there went something. Bang. Blew over. Ah. Wow. No idea how windy it is right now. There's my chair blowing way back there, hanging on behind the wind chime. Everything is blowing. Something crashed down here off a jar. I'm taking the dogs down to where they'll be safe. Never in all my years seen it this windy, this sudden, this bad. Just saw a chair sail off the front. The visibility is down to nothing. Water's blowing everywhere, even sheltered in the house. The wind is just howling. This is a definite low moving in. The storm from San Diego is coming this way. It's not raining yet, but I'm gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terrified little dogs into the outer studio. Come on, gang, let's go where it's going to be quiet and safe. Whoa. Clean up tomorrow will be humongous. I hope the trees, the big pines, stay up. Come on, dogs, let's go. Of course, Miss Misty says, I'm not going in there. Come on, guys, let's go. Whew, my feet are dirty. Here's the dog yard. Pens. Okay, everybody's coming in except Misty. Come on, Misty. Come on, girl. Come on. Yeah, I may have to go outside and get her.